Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to discuss about a phrase. Do you know what phrase is? A phrase is a group of words. Because it is a group of words, phrase has head and its dependent. Suppose you have a question what head is or what dependent is. A head is a core of word in the phrase and its existence plays important role. While dependents are all remaining words in the phrase other than a have. Look at this example. Policewoman and wanita polisi. Policewoman is noun, yeah, and woman is noun too. A phrase policewoman consists of noun plus noun, in which woman is the head of phrase. What about police? Of course, the police is dependent. In Indonesian language, wanita polisi. Wanita polisi consists of the head wanita and dependent polisi. In my opinion, the phrase of policewoman is equivalent to wanita polisi. What about polisi wanita? Sometimes Indonesian people say polisi wanita. Polisi wanita has polisi as the head and dependents wanita. Polisi wanita is not equivalent to policewoman in English. Because why? Because they have different head word. In Indonesian language, the head word is polisi. Yeah. While in English, woman. Yeah. In conclusion, the equivalence of polisi wanita, yeah, the equivalent of wanita polisi, yeah, is policewoman, yeah, because both have similar head word, woman and wanita. Okay, is that clear? Next, head is a word in the phrase which plays important role. Why head is important? There are some reasons. At least there are three reasons, yeah, why head plays important role. First, head bears the semantic information of phrase. Secondly, head determines the word class of phrase. And then the last, head selects the dependence of the phrase. Okay. Very bright sunflower, red house. They are all phrases. Very bright sunflower is noun phrase because the head word is noun. If you look at the meaning of the phrase, yeah, sunflower, yeah, very bright sunflower, the sunflower is the core meaning. Yeah, we are talking about sunflower. Yeah, what kind of sunflower? Sunflower which is very bright. Similarly, red house. The house here is the head of phrase. And the meaning of the phrase is determined by the word house. We are talking about house. We are not talking about the color. So, its meaning is the house painted red. Okay, understand? Okay. Now look at this example. Very bright sunflower. As I told you before, that phrase consists of one head only. Yeah, the head is modified by dependence. If you look at this dependence, there are two dependents. Dependence very and bright. Tharman, in her book entitled Understanding Syntax, said that uh, dependent can be classified based on adjunct, dependent, and complement. Yeah. The complement dependent is obligatory in the phrase, so the existence cannot be omitted. In this phrase, if we try to omit the complement dependent bride, and then the phrase become very sunflower, the phrase is ill-formed. It is unacceptable. What about the very? Very is adjunct. Yeah, adjunct is optional, so we can omit it. Without the word very, the phrase bright sunflower is still well formed. Yeah. Okay, is that clear? So very bright sunflower is noun phrase with the head sunflower, yeah, and it is modified by two dependent. They are adjunct dependent and complement dependent. Okay. If we look at the word class of very bright, yeah, very bright, yeah, the word class of bright is adjective. The word class of very is adverb. Remember my previous explanation that head selects the dependents. Only the word class of bright that can modify noun here, sunflower. Yeah. Adverb, yeah, adverb here, yeah, very is adverb. Adverb cannot modify sunflower. So in this case, sunflower try to select which dependents, which word classes can collocate with sunflower. To summarize, I can say that head conveys the semantic information in the phrase. The word class of the head determines the word class of entire phrase. The head is obligatory while other unit in the phrase is optional. Yeah. Head selects dependents of particular word class. Dependent may be obligatory, which are named complement, and optional dependents, which are called adjunct. Remember, every phrase has one head only, while dependents can be more than one. I think that's all, and thank you.